Modern Age MCQs, Physics Second Year, Unit 12, Current Electricity, Part 1. The charge supplied to a circuit in unit time is given a name of option A, electric current, option B, electric voltage, option C, electric power, option D, electric energy. The key is electric current. The correct option is A. Reason: the charge supplied to a circuit in unit time is the charge passing through certain area of cross-section of a wire in 1 second. It is the definition of electric current. Hence, the charge supplied to a circuit in unit time is electric current. Electric current passing through a conductor is due to option A, protons in the nuclei, B, electrons in the orbits, C, neutrons in the nuclei, D, freely moving electrons. The key is freely moving electrons. Therefore, the option D is correct. Reason: in conductors only, electrons can move freely. Therefore, the electric current passing through a conductor is due to the motion of free electrons. Hence, the electric current through a conductor is due to freely moving electrons. What will be the current if a charge Q crosses an area A in a time of t seconds? Option A, Q into T. Option B, Q divided by T. Option C, A into T. Option D, A divided by T. The key is Q divided by T. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason: the charge crossing certain area in unit time is called current. The equation I is equal to Q divided T is the mathematical definition of current. Hence, if charge Q crosses an area A in a time of t seconds, then the current is Q divided by T. When will 3 Coulomb charge pass through a point of a wire? Option A, when 20 milliampere current passes in 300 seconds. Option B, when 10 milliampere current passes in 300 seconds. Option C, when 20 milliampere current passes in 300 milliseconds. Option D, when 10 milliampere current passes in 300 milliseconds. The key is when 10 milliampere current passes in 300 seconds. Therefore, the option B is correct. Reason: from the mathematical definition of current, I is equal to Q divided by T, we get Q is equal to IT, or Q is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 3 into 300, which is equal to 3 Coulomb. Hence, the 3 Coulomb charge will cross the point when 10 milliampere current passes through it in 300 seconds. A current of 1.60 ampere through a conductor carries option A, 1.00 into 10 power 19 electrons per second, B, 1.6 into 10 power 19 electrons per second, C, 6.67 into 10 power 19 electrons per second, option D, 9.11 into 10 power 19 electrons per second. The key is 1.00 into 10 power 19 electrons per second. The correct option is A. Reason: the current through a conductor is I is equal to Q divided by T, which is equal to N into E, where Q, the charge, is equal to N times the charge of the electron. So I is equal to Ne divided by T, or the number of electrons N is equal to It divided by E, which is equal to 1.60 into T divided by 1.60 into 10 power minus 19, where 1.60 into 10 power minus 19 is the charge of the electron, or n is equal to 1.00 into 10 power 19 for time t is equal to 1 second. Hence, a current of 1.60 ampere through a conductor carries 1.00 into 10 power 19 electrons per second. Which one of the following relation is correct? Option A, Joule into volt is equal to Coulomb. Option B, Ampere into volt is equal to Joule. Option C, Joule into Ampere is equal to volt. Option D, Coulomb into volt is equal to Joule. The key is Coulomb into volt is equal to Joule. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: according to principle of homogeneity, the dimensions of left-hand side of equation Coulomb into volt is equal to C into J divided by C. C is cancelled with C, so it is equal to J. The dimension of J is square bracket ML square T power minus 2, and the dimensions of right hand side is equal to joule is equal to J, and the dimensions of the J are square bracket ml square T power minus 2. Therefore, the dimensions of left hand side is equal to right hand side, which is square bracket ml square T power minus 2. Hence, the correct relation is Coulomb into volt, which is equal to Joule. In Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. The resistance R of a conductor is directly proportional to option A, area of cross section, option B, length of conductor, option C, current in conductor, option D, voltage across conductor. The key is length of conductor. Therefore, the option B is correct. Reason: according to relation R is equal to rho into L divided by A, where rho is the resistivity of the conductor, L is the length of the conductor, and A is the area of cross section of the conductor. The resistance R is directly proportional to the length L for constant area of cross section A. Hence, the resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. In Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. The resistance R of a conductor is inversely proportional to option A, area of cross section, option B, length of conductor, option C, current in conductor, option D, voltage across conductor. The key is area of cross section. Therefore, the option A is correct. Reason: according to relation R is equal to rho into L divided by A, where rho is the resistivity of the conductor, L is the length, A is the area of cross section. The resistance R is inversely proportional to A, or we can say that R is proportional to 1 divided by A for constant length L. Hence, the resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the conductor. The resistance of a conductor of length 1 meter, area of cross section 1 square meter is option A, permittivity of conductor, B, resistivity of conductor, C, conductivity of conductor, D, permeability of conductor. The key is resistivity of conductor. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason. For L is equal to 1 meter, A is equal to 1 square meter, the relation R is equal to rho into L divided by A is equal to rho into 1 divided by 1. Therefore, R is equal to rho, which is known as the resistivity of the conductor. Hence, the resistance of a conductor of length 1 meter, area of cross section 1 square meter is the resistivity of the conductor. It is the definition of resistivity. The resistance of an iron conductor of length 1 meter, area of cross section 1 square meter is 0.1 micro ohms. What is the resistivity of iron? Option A 0.02 micro ohm meter, B 0.03 micro ohm meter, C 0.1 micro ohm meter, D 0.2 micro ohm meter. The key is 0.1 micro ohm meter. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason. For L is equal to 1 meter, A is equal to 1 square meter, the relation rho is equal to R into A divided by L is equal to 0.1 microohm into 1 square meter divided by 1 meter R. Rho, the resistivity, is equal to 0.1 micro ohm meter. Hence, the resistivity of an iron conductor of length 1 meter, area of cross section 1 square meter is 0.1 micro ohm meter.